Hello guys, this is Coder Viper Sun, and today we're going to see about a turtle module, and we are going to build a famous snake game. And this could be a very famous game. In my childhood, I still remember that in my childhood, this game in Nokia phone I play the most, and I play as crazy as anyone else. Okay, leave that. Now we can go how to create this game, and now we going to learn a very important things for a snake game, and we are going to know about the turtle module and turtle class and screen class and how to set up a turtle in a screen and many more things like screen size, width and background color, how to set up a screen actually, and also how to stop the program if the screen not stops, how we can execute the next one. So stopping the screen is also good, and exit on click, if you click the program exit from the screen, it is also one of the important aspects of the program. And now we're going to import the turtle is nothing, a simple module which is inbuilt with Python, so every Python download have a turtle, so don't worry about that. And it's a snippet that how to call a module. Do you remember that, how to call a module is simply a many lines of codes and classes written in a piece of code, and that module that we can easily import, and we can, without writing, we can easily import it, which is somebody have built many lines of code, and we can easily get rid of get that by using simply import functions in Python. That now we can give just like this import turtle. This is also a good thing to do, but the better way that I am going to do is just, this is the syntax that from turtle module import the thing that you are expected. Now I need a turtle class. What is mean by class actually? What is mean by class? Now that should be in your mind now. The class is nothing but just like a car's blueprint. A car's blueprint is independent of any other cars. That's right. Actually, the car's blueprint, if you have a car's blueprint, you can create a multiple cars like red cars, blue cars. If you have a Benz cars blueprint, then you can create many Benz cars as well, with multiple colors and multiple models as well. So if you have a blueprint, then you can create a multiple objects. That blueprint is nothing but class, an object is nothing but that variety that we create from the class, which is a blueprint. That now we can call a friend, that any turtle like Jimmy, Jackie, as I can give a Jackie. Jackie is the name of my turtle, which is my turtle object, and we are creating a class now, just turtle. Yes. Now this turtle, now this is the way how you can call an object. The object Jackie is created now, and if you create another object like Jill, if you create another object like Jill, then these two are independent. Actually these two objects are very distinct, although they are assigned from a same class, but the different object that you create are very distinct. That behavior of Jackie is different from the behavior of Jill. And coming to the code that we are expecting, that we are importing the class turtle class from the turtle, is which is actually a turtle's blueprint, that we are going to create an object turtle that is nothing but who is going to conduct this, game is referee. Referee is also one of the turtle. That's just our assumption that the boundary lines that we are going to draw using referee, that boundary lines will help you from the program where is the wall and where is the things are located, that easily can be identified from the referee turtle. That just simply a my name, but you can give any other names as well. Just a simple name that you can give any object name, any object name, any object name. And this is a class, this is a class. Oh my god, sorry, it's a comment. This is the class. And now we're going to do the color, any object. Now this is the only thing. What is the class have? Class have the two things, that attributes and behavior. The attributes and behavior, what I am thought of and I am understood about that, attributes are nothing but what the class has, what an object has. If an object, a turtle, what they have is what they have is nothing but the attribute, and also what they do is the method. I think you understood. The turtle are moving with the velocity v. This is something like method. An object is nothing but a turtle can swim in a water, that already it have. And this is not a method. And method is something that object does, and attribute something object has. That is the simple definitions of attribute and behavior, attribute and nothing but method. Now let's move to the calling the color method from the object, and we are setting the color to referee's color as white. Yes, every referees have put the shirts in white. That just a simple thing. But anyway, that's not going to affect your program. That you can give any color as you like, white, blue, and you also give like this. This is a tuple that you should before giving a tuple. One more thing you should do, that you should add a color mode as well. Oh, that's going to be too hard, so just give a string now. Don't worry, don't go to advanced levels. Now if you give that the simple thing I going to say, keep in mind, that's it. Not going to wrap your mind, just keep it simple. Color mode is nothing but it just sets a color mode for a turtle. That wait a minute, color mode is just 25. That's all your color are inside that 25. So here you going to give in a tuple is an RGB is nothing, just a simple thing. RGB is red, green and blue. These three colors between the numbers from 0 to R is from 0 to 255, G is from 0 to 255 and blue is from 0 to 255. In their three combinations will give you a different colors, as you never then expected these colors. These three combinations of number tuple will give you multiple colors. If I know, I can remember that one color, that 000 is black and 255 and 255 and 255 is on white. So I can give it here as 255 comma 255 and comma 255 is an nothing, just a white. And also you can also give white as well, also give white. That's not going to affect your problem. But if you know this, you can do a different color for a referee and different color turtles as an object as well. Now referee that referee dot that referee is an object, and that's not going to, my object is any object dot that object I have created as in white in color. And also one more thing I want to do, that it should not draw a line or something else. I should do a pen up. Pen up is nothing but just a simple thing, that turtle not going to draw any lines or something else. Turtle is nothing but it have a brush and which keeps on the land, and if you call the turtle, it keep on drawing. If you give pen up, the pen on the turtle is get up, and so you never going to draw any lines or something else. You, if you call a turtle, then it not going to draw anything for you. So that's the any object that pen up will give you that it's not going to draw anything. And let's go to the screen now, how to set the screen for our game. Now for that, you have a turtle, you have a, for that you have separate thing, just delete, just don't want to give two or more things, two or more modules at the same time. Same module declaring two times is not a good programming. And also you should, if that, now we going to do a simple thing, that we are adding another class, a screen class. Another class in a turtle is a screen, another class in the turtle is a screen. And this screen, what you can have an object holding a screen, and this object is now going to do everything for you. That's screen size, that screen dot set up, and you're going to hide how the screen looks, how much height, how much width, and screen should have something like this. And just give it 700, this is very low. Okay, let's, next one is that screen.bgcolor as black, as plus that. Now next one is something simple. Just now the simple thing, that you have set the screen black and you call a referee who draws a line outside a simple object. You have created a simple turtle and you have set a screen to black, height and width are given, screen object is called. And now the simple thing, that screen should have something like title, screen should name something like this, 100 days of code Anjali YouTube content main.py, something like this should be named. What are you going to do here? Now the simple thing, that screen dot title method, and you should give a title string as something like my snake or snake game, something like this will display on top of your screen. This is the simple thing to set up a screen. And I have said many things, the turtle color mode. What is a color mode? Is you setting a boundary for a color mode so that you can fetch RGB colors. RGB is nothing but red, green and blue. A simple thing. And turtle is a class, screen is a class, and this is a simple things, and and these are the basic turtle, how to work on with turtles. And this class is simple classes, and that is that we can explain easily, that we can create a class by ourselves in a program that we are going to see as little later, that we are going to build a score class, snake class, and something like food class, to keep on seeing the classes, like we keep on updating the scores, and we are keep on randomly moving the food, and snakes are moving, and they are, if you collision happens, the increment of snake happens. And these the simple things are works independently, and we are putting it to inside looks like dependent, looks like the outside people looks like, oh, this depends program, that snake are going to hit that food. But actually that programmers programming that collision happens, it moves to another position. It's actually not heat snakes, does not heat that food. Actually, the after that collision, the food moves to random position. It's the that intuition that the people have, that snake eats the food. But actually the programmers are not doing that. Actually they are, after hitting, it should hide and it's go to the another random position. That was the real programmers are doing. So now this simple game, that what it's going to cost me, uh, uh, if I learn this snake game, how it is profitable, and what is the use of it, you can think about that. But this real use is simply, you should work on it to get a better. Even you, if you grow better and better, and you, if you do this, then you will become better in the basics, like classes, uh, making different files, and making a program bit simple. That's a 20 lines of codes in each files can easily do a very complex projects. And this looks bit easy also. Sometimes some people's look way, people's think snake game is difficult. But if you use classes and object oriented programming, and it could be very easy. The game looks simple when you create the classes, two classes and three classes. Then game loop will think very easy. See most of the people creating a game loop like 50 and 60 many lines of codes, more than 500 lines of codes and 200 lines of codes, and that is simply waste. That's, you should create a classes for that large programs, and reducing the program to a very useful way. That should be a good one. So thank you for watching this. Hope this will help you a lot. And if it hits 20 likes or 30 likes, I going to post the next video, which is the continuation of the snake game. And finally we are finish the snake game, the full-fledged. And uh, and also we are next creating a pong game. Pong game is a very superb game, that two slides are coming side by sides and hitting a balls, and if one misses, the one player is lost and another player as gains the point. And this is the another next project that we are looking for out. And we have already done turtle race. We are creating a multiple turtles and putting it to the race, we are making it to the race, and we are betting for that, which one going to win. That also a good program I have done. And if it happens, if it this video has gone good, and I going to upload that too as well. Thank you very much, and thank you for listening this video. Thank you very much guys. See you later.